Your brand new washing machine is shaking like crazy, but your old 15-year-old machine was silent and stable. Why is the new one worse? Today I'll show you the real reason modern washing machines vibrate more and what you can do to fix it at home without calling a technician. Stay till the end, because one simple mistake causes 70% of vibration complaints. 1. The common myth. Most people think new machines are badly made, companies reduce quality, or motors are weak. But that's not the full truth. Modern washing machines are not designed like old heavy machines. They are built for energy saving, lower water usage, faster spin speeds, and cheaper transport costs. All of this changes the balance system. 2. Old machines were heavy tanks. Old washing machines were built like tanks. They had thick steel bodies, heavy concrete counterweights, lower spin speeds, 800 to 1,000 revolutions per minute, strong metal frames. That heavy weight acted like a natural stabilizer. Even when clothes were uneven, the mass of the machine absorbed vibration. New machines? Completely different story. 3. Modern machines are lightweight. Today's washing machines are lighter, thinner metal panels, plastic outer drums, smaller counterweights. Why? Because manufacturers want lower shipping costs, better energy efficiency, less material usage, faster production. The result? Less weight equals more movement during high-speed spinning. 4. Higher spin speeds equals more force. Modern machines spin at 1,200, 1,400, even 1,600 revolutions per minute. That's extremely fast. Higher RPM creates strong centrifugal force, more drum imbalance sensitivity, higher vibration energy. Even a small uneven load can cause big shaking. Old machines spun slower, so vibration force was lower. 5. The biggest reason, installation mistakes. Now listen carefully. The number one reason new machines shake more is not the machine. It's the installation. Here are the top mistakes. Mistake 1. Transport bolts not removed. This is very common. New machines come with transport bolts to protect the drum during shipping. If these bolts stay inside, the drum cannot float freely. Suspension cannot work. Machine shakes violently. Always remove all transport bolts before first use. Mistake 2. Uneven floor level. If your floor is not level, one leg carries more weight. Drum balance system fails. Vibration increases. Use a spirit level. Adjust all 4 feet properly. No rocking allowed. Mistake 3. Overloading. People love to fill the drum fully. Big mistake. Overloading causes drum imbalance, motor stress, suspension overload, extreme shaking. Follow weight limits. Leave space on top of laundry. 6. Suspension system is softer now. Old machines use stiff shock absorbers. Modern machines use softer suspension. Why? Because it reduces noise and protects electronics. But soft suspension also allows more visible movement. So you may see shaking, even when the machine is working normally. 7. Drum balance sensors try to save you. Modern machines have imbalance sensors. When vibration is detected, spin speed reduces, cycle pauses, drum rebalances. But if the load is badly uneven, sensors cannot fix everything. That's when shaking happens. 8. How to reduce shaking. Simple fixes. Here's what you can do. Remove transport bolts. Level the machine properly. Load evenly, mix big and small clothes. Avoid washing one heavy item alone. Use anti-vibration pads if needed. Don't exceed max load weight. These steps alone fix most vibration problems. 9. When it becomes a real problem. Call service if you notice. Loud metal banging. Drum hitting cabinet. Oil leaking from shocks. Machine walking across the floor. Burning smell. That means worn shock absorbers, broken springs, loose counterweights. So now you know the truth. New washing machines shake more not because they are bad, but because they are lighter, faster, energy efficient, designed differently. With proper setup, They work smoothly. If this helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for real appliance repair knowledge. And comment below, is your machine shaking? And which brand are you using? See you in the next video.